Maas, you say you don't want it. After that you say you want water. Now you want sweet tea. Kita orang dekat Evos. Evos ni macam instant food lah, macam KFC, macam McDonald. Ini diorang punya menu. Menu dia kita orang pernah makan kat sini, memang sedap. Kalau lah ada kat Malaysia, full best. Sebab dia macam kebab, macam shawarma macam tu kan. So this is how the look.
Вкусно?
Sedap. Taste dia memang sedap gila. Dalam dia ada cheese, tomato, daging, hot sauce, timun. Dia punya roti memang nice, hard and soft together. So kita orang dah habis makan, alhamdulillah sedap, kenyang. Now jalan-jalan. Enjoy our last day in Tashkent. Tomorrow morning our flight. It's early morning, 7 AM. So we need to wake up around 4 and make preparation, and then going to airport at 5.
After this we're going to see our video on computer.
Kita orang berada di bookstore, cari buku untuk Malik Samir. Kita orang dapat buku ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paling cute buku ni Kalabok. Kalabok ni roti. Look, mata. You have Shahrukh here.
Finally.
Next doctor.
Doctor.
Next doctor. Samir, time to eat. This is Noren. So ni adalah daging kuda. Ini tepung yang dipotong juga dengan kadang-kadang daging kuda ataupun daging lembu. So ni adalah bawang. Diorang makan dengan sup, tapi memang sedap. This is one of my favorite.
I came to him yesterday, he was so bored, he told me the first thing after, he didn't say hello.
Again, dekat dentist.
Давай.
Thank you so much.
Приезжайте, больше
Ладно, давай. Приезжай.
Gigi dah siap.
Tomorrow we are going to Malaysia.
Давай, прыгай. Вставай. Еще этот, как приземлишься, напиши. Куда? Анна, goodbye.
Goodbye, Sefda. Take care. Send my regard to Ilnur. Okay, bye.
Давай, Джона, пока.
Sefda is Charos' very old friend, right? Your best friend? 17 years. Woo. Tonight is our last night in Tashkent. Tomorrow we are going back to KL. So after this, we need to packing, charge our phone, cameras. Tomorrow our flight is 7 AM, so early morning. We have to wake up also early morning. So that's all for today. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. And tomorrow is my last video for Tashkent trip. Amir, what are you doing?
Nothing. What?
Look here. Here. Behind here.
What?
What? You like it?
Yes. Papa, look at this.
Ooh. Okay. Enjoy your bathtub.
Okay.